I couldn't be happier with my experience. From the moment I received the product, it was clear that a lot of thought had gone into its design and functionality. The packaging was secure, the product arrived in excellent condition, and it looked exactly as expected. Setup was incredibly simple, allowing me to start using it within minutes without any hassle or complicated instructions. The compact and modern design fits seamlessly into any room, and its portability makes it easy to move wherever cooling is needed most. The cooling performance has been consistently impressive. It provides a refreshing and comfortable airflow that makes a noticeable difference, especially during warm afternoons and humid evenings. Unlike bulky traditional cooling systems, this unit is lightweight, space-saving, and much more convenient for everyday use. Another feature I really appreciate is how quietly it operates. Whether I'm working, reading, watching TV, or sleeping, it delivers effective cooling without creating distracting noise. The overall build quality feels premium and durable, giving me confidence that it will last for a long time. Every detail, from the controls to the materials used, feels thoughtfully designed with the user in mind. It's also reassuring to know that it uses energy more efficiently than larger cooling systems, making it a practical choice for anyone looking to stay comfortable while keeping electricity costs under control. The shopping experience was just as positive as the product itself. Ordering was quick and straightforward, communication throughout the process was clear, and delivery was prompt. It's always refreshing to purchase from a company that values both product quality and customer satisfaction. If you have any questions or concerns, the customer support team is responsive, friendly, and genuinely helpful. Overall, this has been one of the best purchases I've made for improving everyday comfort. It combines convenience, portability, effective cooling, and reliable performance in a sleek, user-friendly package. It's ideal for use at home, in the office, or even while traveling, and it has consistently met my expectations. I would happily recommend it to friends, family, or anyone looking for a dependable personal cooling solution. It offers outstanding value for the money and has become an essential part of my daily routine.